American Resource Corporation. AREC is the ticker. It could get a grant the size of that 400 million that MP Materials got, that caused MP Materials, a rare earth US company, to go from 30 to 60, nearly to 90, 200% in just about a month. Could AERC be the next 200% mover? Let's jump into the chart and the fundamentals to make a decision on if this is the best and the next Trump rare earth stock. Here we go. This is where the stock is trading. It's near that $2 whole dollar level, and there's space up to 250 where it can break out and find blue skies after that. Sure, it's gone down a lot, okay? But if we look on the monthly chart, most of these people who bought back 2 years ago, they would have sold by now, okay? So there's no one who's going to be selling who looks at their phone often, their portfolio often, if this stock breaks out. And we like the sound of that, okay? No sellers mean everyone's making money and people keep buying. This level is important, 220 from back 2 years ago, but even more important is 250. And above that, 350, okay? Those are the price levels to look for. If the price gets there and rejects, you might want to be a little cautious. If it blows right past, people like the stock. Now, what is this stock doing? Well, they are getting government contracts. And they did recently get $2 million from the U.S. Department of Defense on September 9th. And that caused a movement in the stock. If we look at the stock movement right here, it was significant. It did move up right here from 180 to 210 on that $2 million. And $2 million is a lot for them, considering that this company only trades about $10 million a day. So if you put in more than $1 million in this stock, you might have a little trouble getting it out on a single day. Most people watching this video aren't going to worry about that, but it is important if that's what your plan is. They do have this about $1 million matching grant on the state level, so they are a little bit diversified in that sense. Now, one company that is related on a rare earth category is Lithium America. And I want to discuss this company because I've been screaming from the fences about Lithium America about a year, 3 years ago, a while ago. And now I'm screaming from the fences about rare earth stocks again. So let's talk about what happened with Lithium America, because everyone was very excited about this company and it absolutely unwound. Okay? So that's why you have to have that $2 whole dollar risk level. Basically, Lithium America got this $2 billion loan. Okay, they were going to make lithium, well, mine lithium for electric vehicles, battery storage, etc. Okay, that's great. And what happens was there was a lot of permit risk, and there was also a little bit of sort of pushback environmentally, as well as from some native tribes. Okay, and you can kind of be cautious with future rare earth companies with this company as the backdrop. Okay, it's not like they're having trouble getting investment. Okay, this company is well on the large investors radar. $250 million is no joke. It's just that unfortunately there were some cost overruns. It costs a lot to mine, and this is just the reality of some of these majorly hyped rare earth stocks. Okay, so I'm just being real with you. Okay, GM committed nearly $1 billion to the Lithium America project. Okay, so this was a huge, huge story that maybe you would have heard of. And if you haven't heard of Lithium America, you may have heard of lithium and lithium batteries. And Lithium America was supposed to be the poster child for lithium batteries. Okay, Thacker Pass was in the news, and of course there were some legal and permitting, as well as environmental indigenous tribes risk factors. Okay, so I guess you could say, you know, that was under Biden. All right, so let's see what's happening here under Trump. Okay, it is what it is. Trump likes money more than he likes the environment, and this company's been going up. Okay, there's been other rare earth companies going up as well. We talked about MP Materials as the largest sort of $400 million Department of Defense award. And $2 million is just a drop in the bucket to that. But imagine if they get a 50 million grant or something big like that. This company could go from 2 to 10. I'm not saying it will. I'm just saying MP Materials did go from 30 to 80. Okay, so with a tight risk level, there's a lot of opportunity here. Now, that's really all you need to know. If you want more stock ideas, hit that subscribe button. If you want to chat about your portfolio, head over to stockscommunity.com. You can join for $25, and you'll also be in a group with a verified $9 million trader. So take care, hit that subscribe button if you want more ideas.